Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can change the project frame rate in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Before importing media, ensure you set the correct frame rate before importing any media. This is crucial because once media is imported, the project frame rate cannot be changed. Create new timeline. To create a new timeline with the desired frame rate settings, click File New Timeline or press Command or Ctrl+N to create a new timeline. Or right-click on the media pool, then click on Timelines, then create new timeline, if frame rate is locked. If you have already imported media and the frame rate is locked, you can create a new timeline with the desired frame rate settings. Press Command or Ctrl+N to create a new timeline. Copy and paste your original work into the new timeline. By following these steps, you can ensure that your project frame rate is set correctly for your editing needs. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!